Hello students, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is a special request. So, when do you make request, or when it is a special request? When it is a special occasion. Okay, and from whom do you make request? Let's see what happens in the chapter. When do you have family celebrations? Okay, so it is about a family celebration, right? So this unit we have dealt with Ballad of Rum, then we had this Boating with Friends, and now this is a special request. So this is a humorous unit. There is an element of comedy and humor in this unit. So this chapter also has a humor element, but that you will come to know in the end of the chapter. So let's start. It was the grandest family reunion of the town. 5 generations of the family gathered for Jacob and Sheila Johnson's Golden Jubilee celebrations. It was a large family: sons, daughters, in laws, nieces, nephews, great grandchildren, uncles, aunts, and others remotely related were invited. The grand family numbered 76 individuals, the youngest twins all of 12 years and the oldest 93 years. So this is a family, huge family having 76 members in the family, and it is the occasion of the Jacob and Sheila Johnson's Golden Jubilee celebration. Okay, so everybody around was called, even remotely related means those who are distantly, दूर के रिश्तेदार. Okay, those people were also invited in the celebration. The celebration, of course, had to match expectations. A banquet was good, but why not make it a gala affair by having every sort of entertainment for the varying ages present? So, what is happening now? Since it was a golden jubilee celebrations and it was a great reunion, so people they have expected that now we have to meet the expectations of the people, like the celebration should not just be a small occasion. Okay, it just not be only a good feast. Banquet means feast means a good dinner. It just not be a good dinner, but it should be a gala affair. Gala affair means it should be a huge thing, because it was a celebration and so many people have gathered over here for the celebration, and there should be entertainment, there should be games to serve every person. Like the youngest one was the 12 and the oldest was of 93 years. So there is a huge age gap difference, 5 generations were there, so there should be entertainment for everybody. Then, so yes, there was something for everyone, a description of which would not be as interesting as being there in person. So that means कि there was entertainment for everybody, for every age, and it would be very difficult for the writer to express how interesting things were. Okay, they can only be felt, right? So those who were there in person means they were physically present over there, they have enjoyed a lot in the party. So the highlight of the evening was the guest, Ashok Bhatt, a famous singer and lyricist. Who was the special guest? Ashok Bhatt, who was a famous singer. Alright, so Ravikant, Jacob's eldest son, had specially invited him because his parents loved his music. So what better gift than to have him write a special song for them and perform it as well. So Ravikant was Jacob and Sheila's elder son, and he knew that his parents loved this singer. So the singer was called, and he had written a special song on the occasion of their anniversary. So just imagine, what better gift could they get? You love somebody, some singer you love, and that is there for your birthday. It is very special. So the twins Shally and Srini were specially curious about the singer, about the songwriter. Being the youngest, they took advantage of this exclusiveness to have a private word with him, and he very kindly obliged. Shally, well mannered and intelligent, and Srini, quick witted and soft spoken, hit it off with Ashok immediately. He was floored by their charming innocence. Srini insisted he was 12 and Shally was 13. So now these twins, okay, not sisters, twins, those who were there, so they were the youngest and they took advantage of being young. Okay, जो छोटे होते हैं, they can go and talk with anybody, right? So they also went and talked with Ashok Bhatt and asked them that please kindly sing a song for us or something, or they demanded something. So this Ashok Bhatt couldn't deny them. and he was very obliged, means he was very humble person. When they requested something, he very kindly agreed upon them. And both were, Shelley was very well mannered and Shrini was very quick witted, means she was very sharp. उसको बहुत जल्दी समझ में आ जाती थी चीज़ें. So they were very well spoken also. So they hit it off, means they get along. They were very familiar with now this Ashok Bhatt. And now what did they started? They started that saying that Shrini said that she is 12 years old and Shelley was 13 years old. And now because they are twins, so this Ashok Bhatt was very curious to know कि when both of you are twins, then how is it possible that you are twins? And with an introduced smile, means very disbelief smile, he asked that how is it possible you are twins and one is 12 and one is 13 years old. Okay. So what did the twins replied? You see, Shelley is 12 minutes older than me, Shrini said seriously. You are Ashok laughed at Kit's wit. Would he grant him a special request? So now what did this? So Shrini said that she is 12 minutes older than me, therefore I am 12 and she was 13. So this Ashok laughed out at Kit's wit that okay, she's an intelligent girl. And then what happened? That they wanted a special request from them. Of course it was a touching request. So what request did they made? Please Mr. Bhatt, we would love to see great grandfather laugh. You are a comedian as well, aren't you? Shelley said in all earnestness. Shrini added persuasion with appeal written large in his white eyes. So what special request did they make? They asked him that they wanted their great grandfather to see laughing. So this Ashok Bhatt was not only a singer but a comedian too. So they asked that whether you'll make a great grandfather laugh or not, and it was a request that Ashok Bhatt also could not deny. Then Ashok began. Song after song was applauded as he peppered them with puns, one-liners and riddles. He fired good old jokes and regaled them with brand new ones. So he started trying to make jokes. Many jokes he cracked, everybody was laughing out and everybody was very happy and everything was going very smoothly. Alright, so this was your first part of this chapter. Later we'll see what happens next in the next class. I hope you have understood this much. Kindly read the chapter, watch the video carefully and mark the important words also.